In this Lynx Whiteboard video, we're going to look at games and specifically the word search option. When you're here in your Lynx Whiteboard dashboard, if you'll go to Games, within Games, if you go to the Add Game button, and you can select the word search. This might be great for maybe instructional implications like vocabulary or sight words. I'm sure you can think of a lot of other implications as well. And so here, it's really easy to use. All you have to do is type in the title. So maybe I'm going to call this sight words. You can click the pencil here to upload or select a different image that's related if you want. And then all you have to do is start selecting or putting in your words here. So I could have words like about maybe, and you can just click this plus button to add additional words, maybe because, another, and so on. You can add as many as you want. And then you can select a grid size if you want for difficulty. And so maybe I want this 7 by 7. And you can either choose to show words true or false. I'm going to leave that on true and click the save button. After you click save, it will show up kind of like a little app here of what you've created. And so now when you select it as the teacher, it will pull up full screen and you can find those sight words together. I've already forgotten what the words are so here is because, and you can click on the panel and drag it over. And as you can see, it lets them know. Oh, there we go. We also are looking for the word about and another, and you can find those together or do it in small groups or individually, however you want. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a quick video on the word search game within Lynx Cloud.